trying my best, mate.
Tell them which way we're going.
Game on! Okay, so the fourth person watches the three. Okay, follow the road. Look at so you're.
They did know we were going this way, right?
Yeah, they do. So you're tailing tail. You watch your butts, okay?
Right.
Yeah, you stay at the back. You stay long way away.
Yeah.
Okay, wicked.
Good.
So you're second. You're after me at the front. So you over here.
Yeah.
Keep a couple of meters behind me.
Yep, sorry.
Sack. That works.
Get off the road! Get to cover! Check your cover!
Watch your left. Watch by the shed.
He's on this side of the wooden wall.
Spacing one at a time.
Yep.
You're going to help us.
We got Quade behind us in one of the metal barriers where the targets are. Over. Contact behind, has eyes on us through the iron. There's holes in the iron. Over. Roger that. Over. Currently he's popping his head out and we're trying to keep him here. Over. Roger that. Over. I've got one down. He's down. Over. Need a medic. Over. No, we're good. Over. Yep. Yeah, just say medic, mate. Zimmer, you want to rotate Isaac out with the front guy, eh? Over.
Sure.
Looks clear, mate. One of us should be popping over here, eh? Brett, do you want to move forward? You can see that barrier in front of you? Yeah. Label will cover you. Phil, you hang at this tree.
He's at that middle barrier beside Elmo's hut in the clearing.
That's where that firing's coming from?
At the moment, I suspect he's been shot by someone else. Lie
Yeah.
down, Weasel.
Druss, do you have anybody down there? Over. Jamie is in line of sight and we believe that there is another shooter right next to Elmo's hut somewhere. Over. To the left, you mean? Over. I can drop down and do it. Over.
Okay, copy that. Everybody except Label and Kitten are moving left.
5 and 10. Hey, live.
Jimbo, me too?
Yes, you too. Keep an eye on who's that? Weasel. Sorry? Weasel. Keep an eye on our backs, mate. Yeah. Catch up with the job.
Let's move. Oh shit, hold on. Quiet down. He was the contact down here. Be aware Elmo was firing on us with a sniper rifle from the L-shaped metal barrier with the 20-metre target on it. Over.
Keep moving to the L. Move up to the L. Isaac, move up to the L. Go.
Where's the L?
In front of us, 5 metres. Come on, mate.
Whoa! Down. Quiet in the middle, L shape on the far.
Have you got someone up here shooting at you?
Oh, I need the blue car. Ken. Along.
Contact! Behind the white car, I'm down from this way.
Keep that shooting on. Label, you need to get, we've got a man down here.
One in the window, bunker! One more behind the car!
5 and 10.
He's shooting at me!
Alive. Whereabouts, mate? Far car.
Behind the white.
Your battery's probably running down.
Yep.
Is it dead? Is it still going?
Only just.
He's down!
Leave it there.
Hey?
The fuck? Leave it there, use that.
Leave it lying here.
Yeah, lean it up against the thing so nobody walks on it. You have 25 rounds per mag. If the mag runs out, you've got to cock it back like a normal pistol. Okay?
Hang on. No. What? Oh.
Okay, so each time it fires, this slide goes back and forth.
Yep.
If you run out of mag, if it's empty, it'll slide back.
Yep.
Okay. You then hit that lever on the side once you've got a new mag in to feed it forward again.
Right.
If it doesn't feed forward, cock it.
Yep, gotcha. Sweet.
Okay. 2 spare mags, 75 rounds total.
Awesome, thanks.
Okay, so we've got a dead man
That's
here.
your 25 shots, mate. So,
Joe, where's the dead medic?
there, just there.
Bitch, you yell out, medic!
Other side of the shed.
So I'm gonna
Go.
get the label.
Now, pull that lever on the side, remember? Push it down. Now you're loaded.
Sweet.
1 mag left.
Thanks.
Throw me the empty one. You now have 50 rounds. I suggest using them wisely.
Yeah. I got a little trigger heavy there, but I promise it won't happen again.
Actually, probably better idea. Same as what you're using.
Oh, sweet, yep.
There, that'll give you 200 rounds. It should fit that one, but I don't know.
Sweet as, no worries. I've got a couple more mags in there.
That's what I'm saying. It should work with the other mags, but it might not.
Right.
They're not always cross-compatible. Fuck, I wish I had my big gun. Going to assault soon. Covering fire would be good.
Right down the middle, good job! Everyone alive?
Hit!
Elbows down! Rifle!
Medic! Fuck, I fired a shot that missed his head by that
Bitch, are you
much.
okay? Quickly, medic, come! As quick as you can! Everybody move to the white marker! If you're alive, go to the white marker! White marker. Follow him, Isaac, run. White hole, follow him.
Alive.
This way, you got your gun? No, I've got to get it. You gotta go get it first.
I still had 8 bullets. One in the chamber.
The Glock's doing good today.
I missed Sheepdog's head by like.
Anyone on my team left anything else behind on the field?
Yeah, one of the guys dropped a gun.
Dump pouch.
Hey?
I'll tell you when I empty my dump pouch.
Holy shit. I left the gun up. Are you running?
Yeah,
Those are yours?
We've got one more. Take that, Steel. Take that pole, mate.
Is that us?
We've got one more. He's
Where?
gone because he left. You got to start as you finish. He hasn't got his gear on.
Go and grab your gun, mate.
Righto.
Run out of battery.
I thought yours was a baby K over there.
Best to change them at lunchtime.
Yeah, well, we only went through one mag beforehand.
Look, like just
No, I got hit right there.
Yeah. But from the lens, it looks like there's
I had
blood
a
coming
better one. Oh, we'll just aim at Quaid. We'll fire at Quaid. Blow back gun. I hit it right there and poof. Oh, fuck. Are there any guns you want to fire before we go, mate?
out. No, I'm good.
Yep.